This is what we're going to do today. It's an add-on to my Masterbuilt smoker. It's just a motor on the side with a fan inside to try to turn it into a convection oven. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so here's where I'm going to put the hole for my fan. And my fan is 5 inches in diameter. The thickness of the back wall is 1 inch. So I came over 4 inches, which will put my fan a 1/2 inch off the back wall. And then I measured the inside, and it's can't remember, it's like 2.5 or something like that. And then I came down so enough to get it off, you know, half the fan depth plus, in addition to the thickness of the top. And that's where I'm going to put my hole. Now I'm going to start with a 1/4 inch hole, and I'm going to try my best to get straight this way and up and down. Got to make the hole bigger to fit my shaft size. Alright, so this is just a used motor that I have. Not a whole lot of specs on it, but it's a 0.6 amp motor, number 1510X1 by Ohsung, O-H-S-U-N-G. I don't know what that means, but anyway. So I'm just going to mount this by putting it on. I've just bent this out of an old piece of sheet metal. Alright, so here the fan is inside. And you know, a fan that's not inside of a shroud, it tends to kind of blow out the sides a little bit. So I made this that I'm going to set over it like that, just to test it and see how it does. You also kind of protect it. So we'll give that a shot and see how it does. I cleaned the window on it, so when we put some smoke in, we should be able to see how it circulates. We'll give that a try here in just a second. Alright, so I got my new smoke generator hooked up. I've got a separate video on that if you're interested in seeing how I built this smoke generator. So let me get it closed up. You can see the smoke kind of, I don't know if you can see that or not. The smoke's kind of piling up on the bottom. Let's turn that fan on and see what happens. See if we can get some air circulation. Oh look, you see the smoke whipping around in there now? I don't know if you could see that or not. I certainly did. Well, that's really encouraging. Okay, well, I'm going to smoke some chickens today. We'll see how this goes, and I'll report back later. Alright, so the convection fan I think worked well. Here's a picture of the chickens, and you can see they're smoked evenly. The temperature stayed pretty even throughout. I checked them with an instant read thermometer, and they're all pretty much came out cooked about the same. So I'm happy with the change that made. If you like this video, I also made one on making this controller to take the place of this, which was broken, and also made a smoke generator for it. Thank you for watching.